Hello everyone. Today I will describe vCenter clusters and show you how to add a host to a cluster. First, let me talk about the most important benefit of adding an ESXi host to a cluster. If your environment has servers with different hardware, you normally cannot do live migration between them. For example, if you have two servers with different CPU types, you would have to power off the virtual machine and then try to migrate it. But if you add your host to a vCenter cluster and enable EVC on the cluster, you can migrate this VM without powering it off. Okay, let's try to add a cluster. First, I need to create a data center. Right-click and select New Data Center. Enter the name of your data center. This one is Datacenter Istanbul. Let's create another data center called Datacenter Ankara. Now under the data center, we create a cluster. Click on New Cluster and enter the name of your cluster. DRS is a VMware virtualization feature that helps manage and optimize the allocation of computing resources within a cluster of ESXi hosts. I'm not going to enable this at this time. vSphere HA enables features such as automatically restarting affected VMs on other healthy hosts within the cluster after a host failure. This process is known as a VM restart.evc. Enhanced vMotion Compatibility is a VMware feature that allows you to maintain a consistent set of CPU features across hosts in a cluster, regardless of the underlying CPU models or generations, by masking or hiding certain advanced CPU features to create a common CPU baseline that all hosts in the cluster share. By using this feature, you can migrate VMs between hosts that have different hardware without powering off the VM. Here is a list of baseline CPU models. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you cannot add a host to an EVC-enabled cluster if there are running VMs on that host. Because I only have one server and vCenter is installed on it, I cannot power off this VM. So, I will leave EVC disabled for now. Okay. Now, I'm going to add a host to the cluster. Click Add Host, enter the ESXi host name. Click Next, enter the credentials. Next, yes. Next. Next. This setting can limit access to the ESXi directory, so leave it disabled. Next. Finish. As you can see, my ESXi host and VMs have been imported into the vCenter cluster. I hope this video was useful for virtualization administrators to understand the benefits of using clusters and their features. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to watch my other videos and give them a like. Have a good day. Bye-bye.